Another tech tools and gadgets. Today we're going to review the Dewalt FlexVolt Brushless hammer drill and impact wrench. Model number DCK299D1T1. It comes with a 60 volt battery plus a regular 20 volt battery, fast charger. Alright, let's get to opening it up. Nice bag, Dewalt name on it. I like that. Tool is probably made in the USA with global materials. That's great. Proud to write that name. Here is the fast charger. Very nice, sturdy. I like this. It's very nice. I like the lights in the front. The hammer drill. Instruction manual. 60 volt battery. Battery got some weight to it too. Pretty heavy. The hammer drill. It's also got how the settings for the light for a quick thing when you click the switch where it stays on. I think it's for 20 seconds, and then the next one is for 20 minutes. Small battery. Matter of fact, we can put that in. The light's on for 20 minutes. Oh, it's the lower beam and the lowest beam. And then we have the impact. Also with 3 switches. Those are for the speeds. When you're driving in small little screws, all the way up to something that you need a higher torque. So that's the open box for the DeWalt. We'll just open the battery as well. That's a pretty big battery. And it's even charged. They even gave it to us charged. This doesn't have a button in the front to tell you the fuel gauge. Okay guys, that's the DeWalt FlexVolt Brushless DCK299D1T1.